Are you in the Air Force and want to pursue your A&P program? Awesome. And the Air Force will definitely help you pay for it. If you're active duty Air Force, or if you're National Guard or Reserve and you're under the Title 10 orders, they will pay up to $4,500 for your program. And in most cases, they will give you PDTDY on top of that. So talk to your commander. It's to commander discretion, or talk to your leadership about those opportunities. Education Center is also a good source, and the purpose is to help you transition when you get out of the military. It sets you up, and it also helps you as a better airman when you're well-rounded technician. So take advantage of those. Don't leave those on the table. Don't piss them away. Get those done. Contact us if you have any questions. All right? Take care.